Hello everybody, welcome back to the VictoryXR Academy tutorial series. Once again, my name is Danny Coyle, and today we're here in the VictoryXR Academy Starship Observatory, and here we're going to play with some IFX objects. You can access IFX objects by opening your menu and going to the IFX tab here. When you first start off, you'll see the public IFX options here, and you can browse through those. But you'll also have access to the VictoryXR tab, similarly to how you access the exclusive rooms and the exclusive content back on the main menu. So for practice, we're going to go ahead and grab our heart here. That's on the first page of the VictoryXR tab. Bring up our heart. There's our heart. It's floating at the end of my cursor here, so I can just move my hand and move it around like that. Now, if I use my touchpad, or in Oculus's case, the joystick, I can press down on the thumbstick. I'll tilt it down, and it'll bring the heart closer to me. I can push the thumbstick away from me and push the heart away. And I can press left or right to make the heart grow and make the heart shrink. Great. Now, if I'm satisfied with where I want to put the heart, I'll just click my trigger and that'll place the heart right there. So I'm going to go ahead and get a little closer to it. So I can either grab it with my laser here, so I can grab it from far away and just manipulate it as I did before, or I can get closer and I'll just reach out and I'll grab it with my trigger. And just grab it. It's a heart. Grab with my other hand. Yep, that sure is a heart there. And I can just let go, and it'll just float right there in midair. Super nice. If I grab it, I can also make it grow and shrink while I'm holding on to it. So one thing that I always like to do is I like to take that heart, move it over there, and make it huge, make it super duper big. And then I like to go up to it, and I'm gonna just lean in and stick my head right inside that heart. Look at the different chambers of the heart there. Love doing that. Then I'll just take a step back. Great. All right, so that's how to bring in objects. Next time, we're going to go into some more advanced techniques on how to manipulate these objects. So I hope to see you there.